Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you what it's really like to get a ride share like Uber or Lyft when you land at LAX Airport in Los Angeles. And trust me, this airport does it very differently from most other big airports around the world. Let's get into it. When you arrive at LAX, your plane lands and you walk off just like normal. You follow the signs to baggage claim and grab your suitcases. After that, you go down to the ground level where all the transportation signs are. You walk out of the big sliding doors and then something confusing happens. You might think you can just order an Uber outside the door like at most airports. But nope. But here's the tricky part. You can't get picked up right there. You have to wait for a special bus to take you to another area called LAX-it. This is the only place where Uber, Lyft, and taxis can pick you up. Other airports are easier. Most airports are simple. Walk outside, cross the street, wait for your Uber boom. Your car arrives. Some airports even have a parking garage area where you just walk inside and your driver picks you up there. Easy. But LAX is totally different. Instead of walking right to your ride, you have to wait for a bus first. Why the LAX bus can be a problem, the special LAX bus is not always fast. Sometimes you wait a long time and sometimes the bus is already full when it gets to your terminal. That means you have to wait for the next one. And even that one might be full too. This is extra hard if you have lots of suitcases, a stroller, kids, camera, gear, or a whole family traveling with you. Plus, the bus needs to drive around to other terminals, so it can take a while. Riding the bus to the rideshare area, when you finally get on the bus, you lift your luggage inside and find a spot. Sometimes you get a seat. Sometimes you're standing and holding your bags. The bus drives around all the airport terminals. Sometimes it stops. Sometimes it skips stops because it's packed with people. Finally, it reaches the LAX exit lot where everyone gets off together. What to do at the rideshare lot? Now you're finally in the right place. Here's how it works. Open your Uber or Lyft app. Type in your destination. Your app will tell you a zone like A21 or B22. Look for the big signs with letters and numbers. Stand under your sign. Your driver will pull up to that exact spot. Load your bags and hop in. There is also a taxi line here if you prefer a regular cab.